Radio Isukuti
101.7
Shenyu ni Shenyu.
Just like a woman Beasa Hamona Kuna energy da komreke semu saa ngapi mu saa tisa Radio Isukuti 101.7 FM ndani ya Super Sato Reggae Time. Let's do this. Let's do this. Kula reggae pole pole. Awali wenao la kholanga zino mundu wanje kama kawaida tukule reggae pole pole.
And everybody knows that baby's got new clothes.
Let's do this.
Lately I see ribbons and her bows have fallen from her curls. Yeah, she takes just like a woman. Oh yes she does. And she makes love just like a woman. Yeah. And she
Yani just imagine sai utulie sai ngwena wakatulie sorio kabisa nimekusukuma sukuma kwa vitu vingi so right now nikupeleke ndani ya reggae sikiza ka ai kala visa shughuli cheuo
she's my friend. Yes I believe I'll go see her again. Nobody has to guess. Baby can't be blessed till she finally sees she's just like all the rest.
Yani mundu anje uo mundu aparanga arifana ireva angarifana unaishi maisha gani kumbe wewe unaishi maisha ya Mungu tu si ndio? Rich Spice giving my girl on the speed like that kama kawaida okuchakireza sema kasa 10 the soft speed and the soft reggae time.
Girl, I love you and I won't be shy to tell you this, my girl, right here, rise. How much I love you and I dare no lie.
Yeah.
If I don't get you,
Take it.
grooving my girl.
One time.
Oh, if I can see the angel in your eyes.
One time.
Grooving my girl. Grooving my girl. Oh, I can see your love light shine so bright. Love is a gamble, but it's a game I wanna play with you. Oh yeah.
Enjoying your moment. Sai wakadera kakana munjumo. Nulu mwana wa noli. Nolu mwana umuraka. Nolu musoli umuraka. Wakadera kakana munjumo sai. Unakapatia kasoda kabaridi. Alafu unakambia mama kapa tulia hapa. Wacha nifungulia Radio Isukuti. Wacha tusikize reggae sasa. Hakuna kijana hapa anaitwanga omsiano msanga afu Saulo omusonga. Every Saturday okuchakira kizanga akijizanga chino huwa anaachilia vitu hatari sana za reggae. This time nendo mwana mharaka yao wakatirisia kabisa. Sasa ukisikiza vitu kama hii sasa ndio unajua basi. Olanga so mwana ala kuisenda sakala.
I can see your love.
Take it back to the season of reggae time. Season cherecho mundu anche. Kuna mtu atiboka sahi atajuta mwareke ungali nyuma bana. Ezata kukaa siri na ngerege. Bora yafuale likoti lirambe. Alafu akakuwa na hiyo makamboti yake. Reggae anaipiga vibaya sana.
I love you and I dare no lie. If I don't get your love, I think I'm gonna cry. I will keep you moving, my girl, grooving, my girl. Oh, if I can see the angel.
loving my girl, lakini kana mndekere si uwo muntu sa amini angari get yo kucha mwikulu yote. Unajua kuna mtu aminingi alanga ni kama unaonanga ukikuhubiria au aminingi huku juu kuna gate ya kupita. Get past to the heaven. Get past to the heaven now. Get past to heaven now. Anaitwa Freddy MC Gregory. Sikiza kazi.
Trying to get your attention. Call you at work, can't get your extension. Where is my gate pass to your heart, girl? Do I need to write security in order to get an entry? Or do I need to break the lock on your vault? But I'm a patient man, I understand. I wanna know what is your plan. Must I wait and for how long? Put an end to this frustration. See you and your friends them flirting, trying to get me hurting. But don't you see my flex is so smart, girl? As the world keeps turning, my love for you keeps on burning. Am I always in your thought? Cut me a key, give me a gas to your heart. Give me a number so we can make a start. Cut me a key, give me the gate pass to your heart, girl. Give me a number so we can make a start.
Jenny 4 years now, down the line, Lumbo Ranga, Lunende 111 views ku YouTube. Alitoa mwaka wa 2022. Give me the gate pass to the heart. Skiza bit where is the gate pass to the heart, girl? Yani uo munda paranga from heaven. Unajua heaven, atuongelee heaven ya mbinguni, heaven ya roho ya mtu, heaven roho ya mtu. Yani anauliza wapi a gate pass ya kuingia ndani ya roho yako. Sikiza tena kitu nirudisha nyuma again. Kama uelewi reggae sasa wacha nikupatie. Where is my gate pass to your heart? Omano mkhana ya kusima au kuangi sure bet lazima ujue vile ambavyo utapata gate. Do I need to call security and in order to get an entry, or do I need to break the lock on your vault? Yani Kenya kana bari nange security ani ingire na mwenye na abira visa, or do I need to break the lock na mwenye na afura kali kafuri alafu nikapita.
What is your plan?
What's your plan?
For how long? Put an end to this frustration.
Skiza kitu.
Your friends them flirting.
But I'm patient man. And I understand. I wanna know what is your plan. Of course. You're very patient. Omano mzuri wezi Kenya kana hatu waba ako patient by the way. Ako pasa nenda kakana. Umekuwa tuna mtoto hivi. Ushaanza kimbio na yeye.
Cut me a key, give me a gate pass to your heart.
Unakuwa patient.
So we can
22 chidaka cha katika nyuma saa 9. Reggae time. I must wait. And for how long put end to this frustration? Yani nitangoja muda gani ndio unipatie jibu mama? Dalinda muda sina ndio unipatie jibu aki please. Ama nivunje kufuli niingie tu. Ama nivunje tu kufuli niingie. Sikiza kazi na vitu bado zinapanda juu. Child of a slave, Rashilo.
they celebrate now. Yeah.
Super Sato.
They celebrate now. Winning without fight is best. Lovers of war will perish. I know leadership don't mean damnation. Love don't mean heart drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate at the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave.
A child of a slave. Ishuna inajidaka ngana kwanja kubula chisimpu. Niko na sports talk light. Tutakuwa tunazungumzia mambo ya sports tena pia kidogo, lakini for now sikiza reggae. They celebrate. Wanna celebrate.
We shall stop. Who remains flat? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne.
If they celebrate, they celebrate. Winning without a fight is the best lovers of war.
Child of a slave.
Yani kupata ushindi bila mapigano au bila kupigana is just a fair game, it's just a fair
unity.
Angasayo lengeranga nge siasa zila chichanga uliyoula nyolese sala na hopana nendo undi tao. By the way, that's a way to go.
Wheels rolling down the hill.
Winning without a fight is the best lovers of war. I will push, I will perish.
KKK shouldn't be done by us. Instead of love,
Akenda kaniko kwa omwami Rashilu anasema ndani ya
celebrate. Eat caviar, drink
a child of a slave.
champagne. They celebrate.
Sasa sikiza message. Anasema leadership don't mean domination. Love don't mean relation. Leadership don't mean a domination. Love don't mean a retaliation.
Leadership don't mean damnation.
Skiza.
Love don't mean retaliation.
Yeah. Yani leadership mundu anje does not mean a domination.
Hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne.
Hey.
They celebrate
Skiza.
the death of the child of a slave.
If we don't stop the war, who's gonna be a fault? Kama hatutasimamisha hii vita. By the way, nokala singisia vita vya kulopa nanga gore mara one time two time. Sasa nani anaenda kuwa makosa? Nani anakwenda kuwa makosa kama hatutastopisha? Alafu tunaenda kupata ule mtu ambaye atakuja kutuleda kama hatutastop hii mambo ya kufight kila siku usijui one time two time. Sasa nani atakuwa makosa?
They celebrate at the death of the child.
They celebrate. Shina sabaji dako mrekete simu sati samrede sukutu 101.7 FM. Shenyine nyange ifungule estabus ya Sports Light. Tuangalie Sports Light inasema namna gani, lakini before that, come on a little girl, please. A little girl.
Come along,
Come on.
run, come along. Come on and dance with me.
Radio
Come on and dance with me, by the way. Come on and dance for me. Come on and dance with me.
With me.
Wanyola sakana khalai akhaye ngona soblay, by the way. Wala ambao tunaenda mahali pa kudansi kidogo. Wala sakana khabere safriko nyingine. Unaenda ku appreciate pole. Nakwambia mama unakaa mzuri. I just want to dance with you. Nataka tu kudansi na wewe. Come on please. Nataka tu at least yani dance tu na wewe. Yani kudansi tu na wewe ndio nataka. Please come on.
Come along, run, come along. Come on and dance with me. Come on, little girl, come on. Come on, little girl, come on. Come on, dance with me. I need someone to dance with me. That someone I have chosen is you. So come on, little girl, come on. Come on, little girl, come on. Come on, little girl, come on. Come on, rock me in my soul.
Yeah.
Don't say
Aghana khalai. Nodi aghana khali yawa. Kama wewe ni mtoto mzuri kubali pia mtu akwambie. Acha kuwa mchoyo wa kujibu. Nulu mwana umkhana mlai. kubali tu kuambia wewe ni mtoto mzuri by the way. Of course.
Come on, little girl, come on dance with me. Yeah, now.
Come on, a little girl, come on, a little girl, come on, dance with me, come on, and dance with me by the way, please. Tafadhali, ichasori na konasye, omoyo kwanje kutulie.
Come on,
I need someone to dance with.
come on dance with me.
I need someone I've chosen now, and there's someone I've chosen as you. Yani, ndeko mbaso mundu okhina khokosana naye. Alafu mundu monoyi ni wewe nja kuwe. Wewe ndio nimechagua. Yani mundu bera alwanya lezo kaza sasa hivi vitu ni gani? No kalum rakata uwezi elewa, you can't understand.